shit.
Yeah, yeah, front end is behind me.
I was trying to flip around and roll it forward. I can't. Oh, sticking in your titties.
Oh my god. Turn that shit off. No one wanted to listen to Pork Princess. There you go. Alright, straight ahead, people. We're on a boat. We're cruising in. Oh shit. It's so fun, ain't it, Harvey?
I think I'm having more fun than Nate. Why?
Shit, we just need another fucking paddle and we've been fucking rolling.
Trying to tell me you dick? Pedal faster. Learn how to canoe, sir.
Mush!
The wind is learn how to canoe, so I pushed him out. Hey, hang close to the water. It is. Like grab down towards the base of the oar. My hand is the same distance as yours is. Oh, okay. Well, you have your hand up higher.
You bloody Yankees. Hey, see, I got electronics. Turn that shit up, damn it.
Here's as loud as it goes.
You need to quit pedaling.
Yeah.
Well, put the speakers up towards your face. There you go. Your fucking boobs are too big.
What was that? Why did I just get wet in the underside?
Your pee's on your way, goddammit!
Damn it all! Come on, Harvey.
You vibrate. When they're so big, you need to vibrate.
Look how hard.
The underside
Damn!
is getting wet.
Ah! It's cold! Damn! Water everywhere. Motherfucker!
Where's my nose?
Alright, Nate, for real. What I do?
6:16.
We got plenty of time.
We got plenty of water in the boat, but I need like go salt.
We could try over there.
There's no time.
We can try it out. Is that what you said?
Yeah, we could try over there. Try down for what?
For what? Somebody's gonna get slapped with and all.
Damn.
Tell me about it.
Like the night that I went to the bar and I sat
Better harder.
beers.
Harvey needs to.
Fucking Roy boy over there.
Jesus, Nate.
Might smell something, guys.
Bro, are you recording us?
Maybe.
Bro. There you fucker. Bro. Bro.
Stroke it, guys.
Stroke.
Emily, stroke it.
Get them out of my pocket. Bro. They're gonna get wet. Bro. Dude.
Keep them out of my titties. They're gonna get wet there.
I am doing it exactly the same amount as you, exactly the same way, and you're still whipping across. Corey, come sit in the back with me.
Why?
The
Put
fuck?
more weight back here so the pivot's back here, not up there.
I don't want to move.
We're almost there. We'll be fine.
Yeah, you're good. You just need to pedal harder.
While Emily goes sit in the back and Harvey come up here where it's me. There she goes, shaking that ass on the floor. need to be sitting like I am.
No.
Alright, time the fuck out there, He-Man. That's what I was trying to get you and Emily to do. It's gonna be all over the boat.
You and him?
Ready? Start here.
Emily.
My breath and my back below. What?
Do it together, you motherfuckers. Damn. Rock the boat. Damn. Oh my god! Shit! Where's the oar? Get the oar! Shit!
I had to win my Corey.
Sorry.
Please tell me you
I think I did.
I almost peed.
I don't want to move from this spot. Is your back alright?
Grab the oar. Harvey, grab the oar.
Where's that?
On the back. Straight up.
Oh my god. That was funnier than I
You good? You want me to paddle now?
And the bad thing is, sir, I'm wearing silky pants, you're wearing Paula. Or khakis. Swallow it down here.
You good, Harvey?
Just slipped out and my
Yeah.
arm was coming back, so
You know how I feel now.
knocked myself. Oh,
Fuck it.
so many tears.
We're putting this for
breathe, it
space.
knocked the wind out of me.
We don't have
that was fucking funny.
You want me to paddle now?
Sorry, Corey.
You're good.
Harvey takes the award.
You're good.
Oh god, I'm crying.
Don't take giant leaps.
We're at 7 minutes now.
God, that was funny.
Cannot take giant.
You almost did it again.
Well,
You only need to be barely above the water.
I can't handle any more funny things.
okay, I took precautions now.
Oh my god.
They know we work.
I'm crying. That was funny.
What?
Or you're supposed to tell you.
What? Well,
You would have been recording. We would have never got that.
Did you really?
yeah.
That's not cool.
I'm sorry.
I was about to take a picture of you guys rowing and then
It gives me something to fucking do.
there you go.
We never like
God, that was funny.
we could see the island. Damn.
Then don't be the next one.
Fucking God.
No, the water's
Spider.
more.
Spider's crawling.
Everyone,
Something jumped up and hit the boat.
smile. All three of you. Right now. Right now.
I'm smiling.
Corey's flipping bird in the background. Hey, you bastard. That was my phone.
My ass crack's hanging out. Corey's getting it all on video.
You want me to?
No.
Oh my God! Fucking pissed my pants again. Turtle. Is that a turtle?
I don't care what it is. I want to go back. Harvey can't steer a boat. Let me have it.
Here, let me paddle. Me and Nathan fucking paddle real good.
Oh, my back hurts so bad now.
Are you gonna get this spot?
Sit somewhere. So you know where you're going.
You wanna record?
You know I want you to record. My ass is hanging out. I can't help it.
Hey, I'm paddling too, motherfucker.
That has a hook on it.
How about fuck you? Take your glasses.
Back there. When we getting back?
Oh god, that was fucking funny.
I have mud on my my ass?
Just wet spot. My fucking god. Sorry, buddy.
Come on, Corey, get up.
What?
Sit to that side of the boat.